Regardia, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Dís Eochairfhocail Ardlevel. Ag tús an scéal at the start of the story. Lánún fósta, a married couple. Tradiisiúnta, traditional. In a sea costina, sitting by the fire. Tar éis lá Ibra, after a day of work. Bancheán, Sean's woman. Míníon Bancheán, Sean's woman explains. Luite sa nuachtáin, mentioned in the newspaper. Ghlach she part to survey, she took part in a survey. Bannon survey, the survey woman. Sástacht Vana Posta, the happiness of married women. Irene argument either, an argument arises between. Moriolair on account of. Kurt van an survey, the visit of the survey woman. Ag dera an scéal at the end of the story. Fós ag Garan, still complaining. Léiríonn an scéal seo, this story makes clear or conveys. An stádas é gothram, the unfair status. Maná is sochaí na hÉireann, women in Irish life, or society. So Chanimeshire, in the old days. Bunig cratha as. He is surprised. Far tradiisiúnta an scéal, the traditional man of the story. Nura ariter, when it is perceived. Egírig, trying to or attempting. Dúshlán a húirt, to challenge. Dá stádas, her status. Tastíonn sail tradiisiúnta uig, he wants a traditional life. Téann an fear céile, the husband goes. Con ara a húirt, to take care of. Aniolach, ignorant. Irene Sean faragach, Sean becomes angry. Rainan a van. His woman shares. Olis priváideach, private information. Míníon a van, his woman explains. Egdul imon surveyna, going doing surveys. Harceann on behalf of. Ní raibh cead ag maná posta, married women were not allowed. Nuair a bhí leanmhacha, when they had a child. Tastíonn sail nua aimsire uhi, she wants a modern life. Áitíonn Bancheán, Sean's woman argues. Déanann na fear tal of slán de. Men take for granted. Here of áthraachas, on maternity leave. Sail posta, married life. Advíonn she admits. Egan sin break, lying. Slán